Hello guys, hope you're doing great today. If today's your first day being on this channel, I just want you to hit the subscribe button and also make sure and click the notification button that every time we drop a new video, at least you're notified and you can be able to learn something new every day. We're going to be talking about something that I believe a lot of you have heard about before, but if you have heard about it, I believe there are thousands of people, millions of people out there that have heard about this thing before. And today, I'm going to be giving you that secret of what's happening within the US government. And this secret is going to blow your mind. And if you're into trading, if you're into investing, it's going to give you an opportunity to boost your investment and open your eyes on things that you can do to change your life comes 2025. And listen, I want you to watch, stay tuned to the end of this video because I got a lot of things coming up. And I'm also going to be giving you my top 3 cryptocurrencies that I believe they're going to make or break this coming bull run and why you should invest in it. So stay tuned and don't go away. So guys, welcome back. Listen, into this video, I'm going to be telling you about something called CBDC, right? Central Bank Digital Currency. The American government, they're trying to have a special bank called CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency. And this bank is going to be digitalized, where cryptocurrency is going to be used as a digital asset to pay for goods and services. And now, if we're using cryptocurrency digitally or globally to pay for goods and services, guys, that tells you how crazy those digital currencies are going to increase in price. So looking at cryptocurrency, as a lot of you guys may know, back then when Trump was a president, we had a bull run of the crypto market, and crypto went so crazy. A lot of people got rich from crypto market, and now he won the elections, and that tells you a lot. Now he's in power, so we're reaching at a point where crypto is gonna be utilized greatly within the U.S. economy, and a lot of people were going to be using cryptocurrency to pay for our goods and services. So now at this point, this Federal Reserve, they're actually seeking the opportunity where people can give feedbacks on if we should be able or if they should be able to implement the CBDC policy within the U.S. Federal Reserve, U.S. Federal Reserve. And this gives an opportunity to a lot of traders, a lot of new investors to be able to invest. Now, as you can see, as to this date, Bitcoin is riding to the upside so crazy. Now, I'm just going to show you what's happening right now with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is riding so crazy just after Trump won the elections. So guys, that should actually sink in your head that we're headed for a bull run and something crazy is about to happen within the crypto world. And if you're not hanging on this bandwagon, if you're waiting and kind of like scared to invest your money, man, I don't know what else to tell you, but this is the time. This is the opportunity. If you missed back then, this is the opportunity to get in. So Bitcoin is currently at 17%. Today, as of today's date, Bitcoin is up 17%. And that tells you a lot. It's probably up almost like for the past week, Bitcoin is up like $11,000. That's a huge amount of money, especially for people who actually got in Bitcoin back in 2009 when Bitcoin started. Man, they're freaking rich. You know, so if a lot of us who didn't have the opportunity to invest that time, because the same thing, we didn't trust what a digital currency was Bitcoin was. But those who actually trusted, now they're multi-millionaires. And one of the things that I'm also going to educate you on is this. A lot of the big difference between the rich and the poor people is because the rich people, they actually invest for the future. Like they look far ahead, like 5 years from now, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years from now, what can I invest into that actually going to bring me results? They don't look at current situation. They don't look at like right now investment. The rich people, they look at long-term investment. And usually when they make those investments, it usually paid out in the long run. And that's the mentality that I want you to build right now. I want you to have the mindset of an investor, like invest not for right now, not what you're going to get right now, but I want you to invest in something that in the next 4 or 5 years from now, you're going to actually be wealthy, because this is the direction that I'm taking with my life. And I'm also urging you to take that same direction as well. So in the next 5, 6 years from now, you wouldn't say, oh, if I knew, like how a lot of people are right now, they're like, oh, if I knew I could have invested into Bitcoin, And by now, like, I'm rich. Now, I also want to talk about my 3 digital currencies that I'm actually looking at. Like I said, subscribe to this video, hit the notification bell. Every time we drop a new video, you're going to get the alert to always watch and stay tuned. And it gives us the opportunity to keep bringing more details and keep educating you as well. Now, I'm going to be telling you my 3 gems that's going to blow up comes 2025. But listen, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you need any financial advice to make a decision on your capital or whatever you have, go and seek an advice from a professional. Whatever I'm saying in this video is my opinion and I'm entitled to that. Do not take this as a financial advice. Now, let's get straight into my top 3 digital currency that I believe is going to be making crazy move. So number 1 that I have on this list is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going crazy, and for the past week, Dogecoin is up 74%. Over the past week now, Dogecoin is actually up 74%, and that tells you how crazy Dogecoin is going. Now, Dogecoin currently, the price of this Dogecoin right now is at 24 cents. Dogecoin is currently at 25 cents. So guys, listen, we're headed to $1. Now, back in 2019, 2020, if some of you could have invested even like $300 into Dogecoin, now you're probably sitting around 20 to 30, 40,000 or $50,000. But if possible, 60,000, if you could have invested some money into Dogecoin back in 2019, 2020. And one thing that I want you to know is Elon Musk, as you guys know, back in 2020 when COVID was up, he was one of those people that were actually pushing this meme coin. And today, Dogecoin is amongst some of the top moving coins right now in the digital market. So guys, I want you to look at Dogecoin as one of the coins right now. Even it's not late. No one gonna tell you that it's late to get into Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is not late, right? It's at 25 cents. So if you can purchase, if you can invest like $1,000, even purchase like 2,000-3,000 shares of Bitcoin and hold that, like if it gets to $1, you're reaching at 10 grand. If it goes to $2, $3, $4, $5, you're making a lot of money. Nobody knew Bitcoin could have gone to $80,000 today, and today's 80,000 just for a share of Bitcoin. So guys, I want you to look at Dogecoin and see that as an opportunity to get on it. It's not late. Get on it right now. All right. And the next one we're going to be looking at is Shiba Inu. A lot of people, Shiba, like they feel Shiba, the bull run is over, but it's not over yet. Shiba is next to Dogecoin, and it's crawling right behind Dogecoin. And I also want you to look at Shiba as an opportunity to grab on that. Go and purchase as much as you can. If you like 10 million shares of Shiba right now, it's probably going to be around like $100, $150. So if you can just throw like 500, man, listen, we go out, we blow up like $500, $600, $700 a day. So why not use that to invest into something that's going to be your future, guys? Like I said, investors, they look at the future. They don't really look at the present. So be like an investor. Let's invest for the future. So I want you now to look how like Shiba put like $500 and purchase on Shiba. And today, Shiba is actually up 57% over the past week, 57%. And that tells you Shiba is actually crawling up next to Dogecoin. So take advantage of that and make sure to invest into that as well. And the next thing we're going to be looking at, and now also where can you get Shiba? Shiba is sold on Robinhood. Shiba is also sold on, you can purchase Shiba on Robinhood. You can also purchase Shiba on Coinbase. These are all broker platforms that you can purchase these digital assets on. And the third on our list that we're going to be looking at is called XRP. XRP, right? XRP today is up 20.64%. XRP is up 20.64%. And XRP is crawling right behind Shiba Inu. And I need you to invest into this. Right now, it's actually sold for 60 cents. If you can purchase a couple of them right now and just keep in your portfolio in the next, I believe 5-6 years from now, man, it's going to probably be in $5, $6, $7. And you know what that means. If you can invest like even $200 in each, or just look out $1,000, just put it into this and be like, you know what, I'm building my future right now. I'm building my future for my kids. So I'm going to invest this money for a long term instead of right now. I'm going to invest this $1,000 into this coin. and see where it goes in the next 4, 5, 6, 7 years from now. And guys, this is gonna make a change. All right. In 5 years from now, I want you to come under this video and comment and tell me the changes this video brought to your life. All right. So the stock that I want you to look at is called Sofi. Right? Sofi. Right now, Sofi is going super crazy. And Sofi is sold for a very cheaper price. Now let's hop on the computer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to Robinhood, you're going to see Sofi right here. And Sofi is a technology company as well, right? They're into technology. See how crazy Sofi has gone. Over the past week, Sofi is up 18%, right? It's up 18%. Let's look at Sofi like the year to date. Let's look at in April. In April, Sofi was like $7 per share, right? And today, Sofi is $12, and it was actually up almost $13 per share. It's Good Friday. It was up like $13 per share. So guys, listen. Right now, you have to purchase a couple of shares of Sofi. If you want to purchase, like if you want to do day trading or option trading with it, you can purchase it for a longer period of time and hold that and look forward to it going up. It's not coming down. But again, one of the things that you can do, let's just hop on the chart real quick. I'm going to show you something on the chart. So you can take a look and let me just show you where you can enter like on Sofi. If you want to actually enter on Sofi, let me show you what you can do right now and where to enter right now. As we can see, Sofi is actually up on I'm going to go to the daily time frame and see what's going on there. Okay, so guys, listen. Sofi right now is almost at $13, right? Guys, if you look at the chart a few weeks ago before the run started, Sofi was down $11.50. Sofi was down $11.50, and we had a gap up around $12, right? So that was like 50-cent move to the gap up here. So now, if you want to enter, I understand it's at $12.60 right now. And last Friday, it was up $13. That's the highest, $13. But what I could tell you is, if you want to get into Sofi right now, for me in personal life, I could wait for a retracement, right? I could wait for a pullback to probably $11.50. I could wait for $11.50 and then enter from $11.50 to ride it back to the upside. So guys, you just have to wait for a little pullback. As we know, like recently we had a bull run, and there's definitely going to be a pullback. So you want to wait a little bit for that pullback before you can start going in. Just wait a little bit and you can start getting back into it to make some money. Well, that's what we have for you today, guys. If you like this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button. I also want you to share this video with your friends and educate them. Guys, listen, you have to take your financial investment very serious, because we're reaching a point where things are changing. They're bringing robots that are doing the work and all those little things. So investment right now is very important. If you have $10, $20, $30, put that aside. Purchase something that you can just hold for a couple of years, and that's going to change your life. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you love it. Subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. See you again.